Lektion 32 Part 7. In this video, I have discussed 4 German nouns starting with ge, with German sentences together with English meanings and translations. In this video, their Satz indicates German sentences. Blue arrow indicates English meanings and translations. The German spelling of English is English. In this video, both English and English are used for proper understanding. Please see the video till end. Number 1. Singular. Der Großvater. Plural, die Großväter. English meaning, der Großvater, grandfather. Plural, die Großväter. English meaning, grandfathers. Der Satz, German sentence. Mein Großvater ist ein Lehrer. English, my grandfather is a teacher. Conjugation of German verb sein. Sein, English meaning be, am, is, are. Conjugation. Ich bin, du bist. Sie, es, ist. Wir sind, ihr seid. Sie sind, Sie sind. Here, ist, English meaning he is. Mein Großvater ist, English meaning my grandfather is. Now, der Lehrer, English meaning male teacher. Number 2. Singular. Die Großmutter. English meaning grandmother. Plural, die Großmutter. English meaning grandmothers. Der Satz, German sentence. Meine Großmutter ist eine Lehrerin. Now, English, my grandmother is a lady teacher. Here, conjugation of sein verb applicable is sie, es, ist. Sie ist, English meaning she is. Die Großmutter, meine Großmutter. That is English meaning the grandmother, my grandmother. Number 3. No singular. Plural, die Großeltern. English meaning grandparents. Der Satz, German sentence. Meine Großeltern leben in Calcutta. Now, English, my grandparents live in Kolkata. The conjugation of German verb leben. Leben, English meaning to live. Conjugation, ich lebe, du lebst, sie, es lebt. Wir leben, ihr lebt, sie, sie leben. Here, sie leben, English meaning they live. Meine Großeltern leben. English, my grandparents live. Now, German article or articles application, die Großeltern, meine Großeltern. Number 4. No singular. Plural, die Geschwister. English meaning siblings. Der Satz, German sentence. Peter Hast du Geschwister? English, Peter, do you have any siblings? Conjugation of German verb haben. Haben, English meaning to have. Conjugation. Ich habe, du hast. Sie, es, hat. Wir haben, ihr habt, sie, sie haben. Now here, du hast, English meaning you have, informal. Hast du, English meaning do you have. It is important to note that only siblings are applicable in German noun Geschwister. Cousin, brother, and sister are not applicable. Das ist alles. Danke im Voraus. English meaning thanks in advance. Thank you.